Hello students, and welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to do the question answers of the 4th unit of our English Gulmohar book, that is the fight. So children, this is exercise A, choose the correct answers of unit 4, which we have already discussed in our online classes. So today we'll begin with exercise B. Read these lines and answer the questions. So the first extract is, Antonio glanced at Felix, who kept his eyes purposely straight ahead. And the question is, where were Antonio and Felix? And the answer is, they met during their daily workout. Now question number B is, why did Antonio glance at Felix, and why did Felix look purposely ahead? How do you think they were feeling? And the answer is, Antonio glanced at Felix because he wanted to talk about the uncomfortable news that they had to fight with each other. Paragraph change. Felix looked ahead because he wanted to behave as if nothing had happened. This was the second part of question number B. Now let's move to the third part. How do you think they were feeling? And the answer is, again, you will change the paragraph. They were feeling uncomfortable with the news of fighting against each other. Now let's move to the second extract. Yeah, it would be better for our heads. What did the speaker and the listener agree to do, and why? And the answer is, they agreed to act like strangers until the day of fight and not meet each other till then, as they found it difficult to fight against each other as they were friends. Question B of the same extract. What else did they agree on? So the answer is, they promised each other that after the fight they will get together again as if nothing had happened. Now let's move to the third extract. Let's have a clean fight. Who said this to whom? Yes, we all know the answer. The answer is, the instructor said this to Felix and Antonio. The second part of this question is, what does a clean fight mean in this context? So the answer is, it meant to keep the fight fair and not use any unlawful practices to defeat the opponent. The third question, do you think the fight that followed was clean? Yes, the fight that followed was clean. They fought well and showed their best capacity of boxing in the ring. Now let's move to the fourth extract. If Felix had any doubt about their friendship affecting their fight, it was being neatly dispelled. And the question is, where was Felix? Yes, we know that Felix was in the boxing ring. So the answer will be, Felix was inside the boxing ring, ready to confront Antonio. Now the next question is, why might he have had doubts about their friendship affecting their fight? So the answer is, he might have had doubts that their friendship might make it difficult for them to hit each other. And the last question, how was his doubt being dispelled? And the answer is, as Antonio countered his blow with strong and frequent punches, his doubt was neatly dispelled. So children, this was chapter 4, exercise B of chapter 4. In the next video, we'll meet again with yet another chapter. Till then, goodbye.